We've arrived home and we've taken flowers out the car. They're beautiful, these gorgeous dahlias. Absolutely magnificent flowers. Just beautiful. They're in pots at the moment. I bought 5 pots altogether. There's the other one. They're sitting here in the garage. It's been raining, so Dad's waiting for the rain to stop. He's going to plant these here. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? Look at that. Just gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. Beautiful. Those all are going to be planted in the garden below, next to the other dahlias. Bye.